Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make some zucchini noodles. So here are the ingredients that you need. You need zucchini, mushroom, chicken breast, it should be diced, as one small box of sour cream. You need onion, any color of onion you can use, and then garlic. So let's start cooking. So if you are doing a low carb diet or you are a diabetic and you are craving for spaghetti, this is a very healthy option. So if you got any low carb recipe that you want to share with me, please comment it down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!